In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Resplendent Essence in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to acquire and use any sort of Resplendent Essence that you acquire. So first, for you to actually get a Resplendent Essence, the best way to obtain it is to buy it from the Mysterious Merchant for 8,800 gold in normal mode, or 18,480 if you are on Legendary. So purchase it from the Mystery Merchant. If you need more information on how to get him, he is going to spawn on the first 10 minutes every server hour. So you will have to look at the server age at the top and see if it is the first 10 minutes. If it is, you will be able to find him on some locations around the map, usually by the merchant shop, behind the bar, or behind the blacksmith. After you buy the Resplendent Essence, you will be able to open your inventory, equip it, and use it. Now, all that you have to do is go over to the soul selection window. So walk up to the soul selection here, interact, and you will be able to find your second character slot, assuming that you redeemed the Resplendent Essence. Now, sadly, on my account, I won't be able to demonstrate this. I don't have one to redeem, but if you do, you will be able to find the other slot available here, and you can switch between them. Once you find the specific one that you want to use, go ahead and select play. So this is going to be the best option that you have to unlock new character slots if you don't want to spend Robux. So if you want to find the Mysterious Merchant, I recommend that you switch servers often until you find a recent server, and you look for him around the city on the spots that I mentioned, either behind the bar, behind the merchant shop, or behind the blacksmith. You will be able to purchase it for 8,800 gold on normal mode or 18,480 on legendary. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Resplendent Essence in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.